The fuck, is it working? What's going on?
Is it okay?
I don't know.
Is it alright? I think it's working.
Yeah, we're here! Oh, we're live-ish.
Hmm.
Your hair looks shit, man. Ah, there we go, we're working. Sorry, we are still in the music room. I just dropped the camera and we're making sure, but what we have discovered is...
Fail.
You can't improvise.
I cannot.
You can't improvise.
I thought we already knew that.
Yeah, but I'm just restating that. What we have discovered now...
Reiteration. She can't actually play the camera.
What we have found out is Jared...
Oh. If you play the bass now.
Can play the bass. We don't know how this has happened because he only plays guitar and piano and shitty drums, but he's rocking that bass like a rock. There is no metaphor to describe how simile, sorry. There is no simile to describe how Jared rocks that bass.
Oh yeah.
Funky as...
That's good. Did you stop it on the point?
What? No, I zoomed in. Oh. Not even a pick. Jesus, following your hands is hard as hell. That's been my facial expression as well. That kind of... He can play the bass! What the fuck? That's called me and Jared improvising. As you can tell, you know, once we get into it, we're pretty awesome. Him! He cannot end for shit. He's so much like Chopin. And what happened to Chopin? How did he die?
He died of tuberculosis, I think. He might have. But he was very young.
Young?
Yeah, he was. Oh, young. Yeah. Shut up.
on your gravestone, it's just gonna be Jared Marshall, musician, blah blah blah, musician of guitar, piano, drums, and surprisingly, bass.
How the hell can you play the bass?
Even after you're dead, you're still trying to figure out how you can play bass. I mean, would you like to add anything, Liz?
I was shit at the piano.
What did you think of our improvisation? What the hell happened to Rosemary?
What the hell are we going to do with this? That was bad.
No. Hemorrhoids.
Or just one shot of hemorrhoids. Is it on?
Yes, it is recording.
Hemorrhoids.
And then Wait, go Christian Bale mental on her.
What the hell were you doing with that light? It's not very nice.
That's your idea of Christian Bale mental.
She's playing with her bush.
We could make a documentary about us trying to make this film.
Nah, I don't think it'll work.
Really? What do you think?
I don't know.
Manky Tree Fairy there.
Yeah.
I feel we should keep it in. Because this is... We intended to make a comedy film, and to be honest, this is comedy gold. It's retarded comedy gold, but comedy gold. No, oh my god, I do have animated eyebrows.
Yeah. Yes! He's found it out. He has animated eyebrows. I have a bush in my hand.
She is your stick in hers. That is so going in. I don't care. That is going in. Oh, Jesus. She has a tea bag.
Could you please excuse our
Yeah. Yeah. I think
Okay,
at this point we should cut to.
the tea bag?
I was going to say to the music room.
She's teabagging
And then what would be
us.
funny?
What did you just say? Just repeat. Repeat it.
I said you're teabagging us.
Right. Before you get the blues sucked into you, because that's what he does. Let's just hear a little piano playing magic.
What? No. Gutted. I'm not playing anything for you. No.
Please, come on.
No.
Come on.
Surely it'll be copyright if we put it in a film.
Add a note to the end of it to make it our own. There you go. Right. Play.
What do you want me to play? I haven't got enough space.
I tell you what, if we're all quiet, then we can use this backing music to the film. The extra thing. So.
I can't remember any of that.
No, Jared, be silent. We have to both look really solemn because this song is really sad. I can't be solemn. Jared, you sound... We're meant to be looking solemn here. This is a really sad song.
Oh, damn.
My bad. She's playing nice things now.
Oh, yes, she is. She's playing Fur Elise by...
I hope you enjoyed this spat inside the music room. We know we did. Hopefully, we'll be able to cut somewhere. Where's Gerard? Yeah. Hopefully, we'll be able to cut somewhere else and just finish off.
We are not leaving this room.
Dude, we need to just a third area, and then tomorrow we'll edit it. I mean, tomorrow we'll edit it, and then on Thursday we'll hand it in. It's not Wednesday. We're so winning that gnome. Yeah.
With a fading out
Yeah,
two.
yeah. Jazz hands.
Jazz hands. Jazz hands.
I can't see the second hand. Om nom nom.
Up.